William McKinley was the 25th President of the United States and served March 4, 1897 to September 14, 1901. He died September 14, 1901 at the age of 58 in Buffalo, New York due to an assassin's bullet. You are about to watch short clips of his funeral in Canton, Ohio. The clips were filmed by the Thomas A. Edison Company in 1901. This is a reading of the captions attached to the clips by the Edison Company. In recording this scene, the position of our camera was an excellent one, and we present to the public a most perfect picture of the train's arrival. The engine is decorated with crepe to mark the somberness of this great historical event. As the train stops at the platform, great respect for the dead president is shown by waiting diplomats and reception committee baring their heads and standing respectfully on the side as the mourners leave the station. In this picture, we show President Roosevelt and cabinet standing at the station with bare heads, while the casket of President McKinley is being placed in the hearse. As the hearse leaves the station, the president and his cabinet start for their carriages. The picture here presented of President Roosevelt is the best one ever recorded. He is very close to the camera and shown life-size and can be instantly recognized. Leaving the front entrance of McKinley's home in the background, President Roosevelt's cabinet forms a line on each side of the walk. The admirals of the Navy and the generals of the Army form lines in their rear. President Roosevelt takes his place at the head of the cabinet, and immediately the body emerges from the front door, bore on the shoulders of the soldiers and sailors. As it passes through the line of diplomats, admirals, and generals, all heads are uncovered. The sailors and soldiers descend the steps slowly to the sidewalk, and then the body is placed in the hearse. The hearse starts slowly away, and President Roosevelt and his cabinet walk towards their carriages. The first to appear in the scene is the Black Horse Cavalry, Troop A of Cleveland, Ohio, followed by the Gar Escort, the members of which make an impressive picture as they march with bared heads. Then comes the hearse, on each side of which march the admirals of the Navy and the generals of the Army. The hearse is followed by the carriages of the family and friends. Then comes the National Guard of Ohio, including the famous 1st Regiment of Cincinnati. Following them comes the sailors of the United States Navy. Our picture was taken at such point that it shows the troops executing a right wheel as they turn into the cemetery gate. And everything is life-size as it passes in front of our camera. Thank you for watching today. We invite you to watch all our famous funeral and obituary videos.